And we pour some. Do you know this about? Do you know what this about?
Okay.
You know
Yes,
this?
Yes. We put this and then rotate. Okay.
We do this about 2 or 3 times.
Okay.
And pour. But
Okay. Use this To clean.
Yes, clean.
Okay.
You can clean.
Okay.
Open.
Okay.
You know this is the.
Oh yes.
You know. And we put in and close
this.
And now.
Okay.
If this sample is
0.0, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
We could do the last sample.
Okay.
Okay. We
Then
wash.
Yes. Every time wash.
Yes. Every time we should wash this.
Okay.
And the last, we should know what sample we
do.
Yes.
Okay.
This we should write down or you take photo.
Okay. Okay.
And we use this wash 2 times.
Oh. Okay.
Just every sample we use to wash this.
2 times.
2 or 3 times. Okay. 2 or 3. Be careful. We should let the leaves
down
in this.
Okay.
Not pull out. And clean. Okay. Close. This one. I can write down.
Okay.
Okay. I will help you. I will write down this number and
Okay.
the last.
Okay, I will.
Okay. This. Okay. This. And this.
Okay.
Okay, and then we you'd better call Yewen or me and Tang to teach it, to help you use this.
Okay.
There is this is blank.
Okay.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Every time you can test five samples. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. This is the.
Okay, I know.
You can there to.
Okay.
There is a major blank.
Okay.
You can there.
Okay.
Then there is a blank. Then one cell 1 there is the data.
Okay.
Then you, after you finish it, you can there to change the you 663.
3.
Yeah. It's okay. 1, 2. There is 2.
Okay.
You can measure. You can remember the data.
Okay.
And 3.
Okay.
And 4. And there is 4.
Okay.
And 5. And there is 5.
Okay.
Okay. You know.